Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I am going to show you a video of a woman, a Nigerian woman in Nigeria, Lagos, that is using chemical to wash her skin to turn to white. She has turned to snow white. This one has passed bleaching cream. I will show you the video whereby the woman is sleeping in corrosive chemical. So it starts whitening wash at House of Frida Body Care and Spa for 30 days. As you can see, it's very instant. You can see now it's peeling off, and this is December period. So your instant body wash, your whitening instant body wash, it's very effective. Just for 30k, the result is instant at House of Frida Body Care and Spa. As you can see. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? It's so peeling off now. Just come to House of Frida Body Care and Spa. We get this done for you at 30,000 naira. Can you see? Dead cells peeling off immediately. This woman, grown adult, grown full adult, Ada, that she is sleeping. Did you see that video? I was in shock. My mouth was wide open. This woman is sleeping in corrosive chemical. Did you see the way they were using plastic to peel her skin? So they've used, I don't even know what kind of chemical it is, but ordinarily, maybe, I don't know if it's spatula, a plastic spatula, they're even doing it gently. They're using the spatula to gently remove our black skin. And underneath it is Oyinbo pepper, shuku pepper. And I keep wondering, like, every day we keep seeing this bleaching. Celebrities are selling this cream like crazy. Only this year alone, Black China came from America and she sold thousands. She sold out. She came with her Nigerian friend. They came and they sold that bleaching cream. And we think about it, Nigeria is the most populous black nation and we buy a lot of bleaching cream. This one has passed bleaching cream now it's only 30,000 naira. It's even very cheap. 30,000 naira. The way they were scraping, they were so gentle with scraping it, and it's so crazy. Men are bleaching, women are bleaching, and the latest thing in Nigeria now is that some mothers, they start bleaching their babies from small, and I just keep wondering, like, it's crazy. This is not, I don't know what to call this. It's not bleaching. And fair enough, we keep bashing all these bleaching people. We bash them and bash them that why are you bleaching? They will see dark knuckles, they don't care. Even in abroad, people bleach. They even think it's better to bleach in abroad because the weather is like AC 24/7. But even if you bleach abroad, you will still have that black knuckle. You will still see the black knuckle. But this one, I don't know, it looks dangerous because when they use that bleaching cream, the one with the hydroquinone in it, they say that there's a chance of having cancer. So this one that she's sleeping, diving in a pool of chemical, I don't know what to say. But we keep bashing these people, and they don't change, they don't even care. And I come to think about it, I feel like the problem is not the people that is bleaching, it's the society. That's the truth. Because why would a mother start bleaching her baby? It's because society gives these light-skinned people, whether it's bleaching or natural, they give them more opportunities, and that's the truth. If you walk to any prestigious company, the receptionists are usually light-skinned. We give in Nigeria, whereby we have more black people, we give light-skinned people more opportunities. That's why people are bleaching. When you go and watch TV, all the celebrities have turned to, they are all bleaching. All the celebrities are bleaching because that's when they get more opportunities. It's no longer about talent. There are some times whereby you go for interview. And this one is something I even experienced. You go for interview in Nigeria, whether the person that is lighter, maybe the person is not even as qualified as you, but because she's going to be the face of the company, they will choose her over the dark skinned girl. And we keep saying things like skin like milk. When you see a light skin girl, they say, that girl, she's a correct babe. Her skin is clean. Her skin is clean. That girl, she clean from head to toe. Oh, skin. Some celebrities are saying skin like milk. So and when they see a darker complexion Nigerian girl, because in Nigeria everybody is supposed to be dark because of the weather, they start shouting like, ah, you're dirty, you're ugly. I say, as her skin be, she dirty, her skin no clean. That is what is happening in Nigeria. You know, we give opportunities to light skin. When you look at billboards, people that are advertising cream or soap, they don't even use light skin, they use mixed race. So when little girls, because all these grown women, grown adults that are sleeping in a pool of chemical, they should not just wake up one day and say, oh, I want to be light skin. It is years and years and years of low self-esteem. They will bash you. The darker your skin is, the darker they start bashing from secondary school. So it is when we look at our television and there's no representation of black women. We see light skin, all the actresses are bleached or light skin, everybody's yellow purple. We give more opportunities to light skin people. We give them preferential opportunities. So why won't people bleach? We keep bashing people that bleach, but why won't they bleach? Because they get discriminated against. We give more opportunities to fairer people in Nigeria, and that's the truth. Celebrities push this agenda. All this thing is, you know, celebrities sell cream. Everybody on Instagram or anywhere, they are now selling bleaching cream. Bleaching cream in Nigeria, you make a lot of money by selling it. Everybody is selling it now, and this thing is body dysmorphia. There's a lot of body dysmorphia going on and people don't know it. They think it's just by bashing. You know, I don't support people bleaching or I'm hating on people that are light skinned. No, this video is not hating. It's just that we need to understand why these people do what they do. It's because they have body dysmorphia, and this is as a result of years of people telling you, oh, your skin is dirty because you're black. Oh, you know the correct babe. Oh, you know, you don't look good. They start comparing you chocolate looking. They'll compare dark skin girl with a chocolate skin girl, and a chocolate skin girl they'll compare with light skin girl. Everybody is different. All of us cannot be light skinned, especially in Africa, whereby the sun is licking you every day. You know what I mean? People come abroad and they bleach, and you can still tell the difference. There's dark knuckles. It's body dysmorphia. You can never bleach, and I don't know about this one they are doing now with chemical, but you cannot bleach and look like a white, like Oyibo. You can't. You can't. Like every time you say Snow White, dark and low, like what is it? Why do we always give opportunities to light skinned people? Why? Do Nigerians, do they hate themselves so much that you give preferential treatment to light skinned people? There's so much going on in Nigeria. It is body dysmorphia, and it's the same thing that is happening whereby people are having surgery to get the Brazilian bum. Women are going through extreme length. So if you're dating a man, the man will see that you are black, or when he was asking you out, when you start dating, I say I like yellow girls. You start bleaching. My sister, that bleaching till you can get cancer. If you get cancer, the man will move on and go and date another girl, maybe a light skinned girl now. You know, be proud of your skin. You cannot be copying. You cannot copy original, because you never be original. If you're dark skin, be proud of it. And people need to stop elevating or giving light people more opportunities than dark skin. You should get opportunities based on what you can do, based on your talent, based on merit, not based on color. Especially in a country where 99% of us are black. You know, we should promote it. It's body dysmorphia. Even the bum thing, people are dying over bum. We need to actually, it's not enough for us to be bashing people, because this is extreme. Somebody's sleeping in chemical. Imagine if, God forbid, she has an accident or an injury. Imagine the court. Will he even heal? People are so desperate to fit in a standard. They're not even thinking of the future. You know, if she needs surgery, like this one that they are using ordinary spatula to scrape her skin, if she needs surgery, how would they sew the skin back? How? Anyway, guys, I don't want to talk too much on this video. If you've enjoyed this video, guys, hit the red button, hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, click the notification bell so you get the latest, you'll be the first to get the latest video. Also, if you've enjoyed this video, share on WhatsApp, share with your family and friends. invite them to come and watch this channel, share on WhatsApp, share on Facebook, and I look forward to see you on my next video. Bye guys.